So today in this video lecture we will study about the hypersensitivity. So first of all we will see what is hypersensitivity. So hypersensitivity basically is a immunological reaction that refers to the undesirable immune reactions produced by normal immune system. So what are hypersensitivity reactions? So mainly hypersensitivity reactions are a type of response, result or exaggerated response in appropriate reactions harmful to the host, that is mainly harmful to the host, or allergy used. Okay. So hypersensitivity reaction mainly are divided into four types, that is type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. So we will see all these in detail. For just some introduction part, we will see these things, some of the basic things. So these type 4 types of hypersensitivity reactions are mainly involved. Uh, there are different type of mechanisms which are involved in these 4 types of hypersensitivity reaction, and time basically varies, and time taken for the reaction varies. A particular clinical condition or disease may be involve more than one type of reaction also. Okay. So as I've already told, there are 4 type of hypersensitivity reactions, that is type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. So among these 4 types of hypersensitivity reactions, these 3 types of hypersensitivity reactions are different from this type 4. In which way? Here it is. So type 1, type 2 and type 3 are antibody mediated, and type 4 is generally the cell mediated reactions. So these now we will see about the classification of the hypersensitivity. So this is a table, and this is very informative table. So in order to keep in mind the hypersensitivity reactions and its types, you have to keep this table in mind. So these are the classification of immunological reactions. So type 1 hypersensitivity is mainly mediated by the IgE antibody and rarely by IgG4, and this reaction is a type of immediate reaction. It is very quick in nature. And another type 2 hypersensitivity reaction is mediated by the IgG antibody, IgM antibody. Okay, so these two types of antibody are mainly present on the cell antigen, and these are cytotoxic in nature type of reactions. Type 3 antibody is mainly done by the antigen antibody complexes of the immune complex. So this reaction is mainly involved with the immune complexes. And type 4 type of hypersensitivity reaction mainly deals with the T cells, and this is mainly a part of the CMI, that is cell mediated immunity. So these are the important parts which must be kept in mind. And most important things to remember here is that type 1 is mainly mediated by the IgE, type 2 is mediated by IgG, type 3 is mediated by antigen antibody complexes, and type 4 is mediated by the T cells.